Good morning, friends. How are you all? I hope you are fit and healthy. For becoming a fit and healthy, what we need to eat? Can you tell me? Yes, we need to drink milk every day. Then we need to eat green vegetables, chapatis, rice, dal, etc. These all are a healthy food. Today we are going to start our new lesson in English 2. In English 2, the first lesson is Brownie Bear and Goldie Cat. Here we learn about healthy food. What do we learn? We learn about healthy food. So, first of all, we do one activity. Okay? So, for that, what you need to do? Write today's date. First of all, you need to write today's date. Then write class work. This is a warm-up activity. What we need to do? Tick the food items that are good for health. We need to do the tick marks on the food items which is healthy for our body. First is fruits. This is healthy food. So what we will do? We'll do the tick mark. Then cakes, muffins. Is it healthy? No. So we will not do anything. Then this is a cold drinks. Is it healthy? No. So we will not do anything. These are also one types of cake. Is it healthy? No. So we are not going to do anything. Last is idli. Is it healthy? Yes. So what we will do? We will do the tick mark. Last is green vegetables. Green vegetables are very healthy for our body. So do the tick mark on it. Now, what we will do? We will read the lesson. You all need to read the lesson after me. Then, I'll explain you what is in the lesson. So, first is, see the first picture. What is written here? You need to read after me. Today, Brownie Bear went to his new school. The teacher, Miss Birdie, made Brownie sit next to Goldie. Goldie Cat is very healthy because she eats fruits and vegetables. Brownie and Goldie became good friends. Hello, can we be friends? Sure. Brownie liked looking at Goldie Cat. He liked Goldie's soft and thick hair. There was a twinkle in Goldie's blue eyes. At lunchtime, Brownie did not eat his food, but Goldie enjoyed eating chapatis and green vegetables. After lunch, Goldie ate a red apple. Do you eat such food every day? Yes. Yellow vegetables like carrot, pumpkin and corn make the eyes shine. Green vegetables like spinach, okra and cabbage make you strong. We stay healthy if we eat fruits every day. I also drink milk twice a day. Brownie understood the goodness of fruits and vegetables and decided to eat them every day. This is the lesson. So now I am explaining the lesson. Here is one brownie bear. The name of the bear is Brownie. He joins the new school. He went to the school. On a first day, the teacher, you can see in the picture, Miss Birdie. Miss Birdie is a teacher. She makes him sit next to the Goldie. Goldie is a cat. She is very healthy because she eats healthy food like fruits and vegetables. In the recess, Brownie asks to the Goldie, "Can we become a friends?" So Goldie says, "Sure, why not? We became a friends." They became a good friends. Brownie liked to looking at Goldie cat because she is very soft and she is having a thick hair which is make twinkle in Goldie's eyes. At the lunch time, Brownie did not eat food. Why? Because he did not like to eat healthy food. But Goldie likes to eat. She enjoys chapatis and green vegetables. After the lunch, Goldie again eat the apple. Apple is a very healthy food, na? Yes. So she likes to eat a red apple. After finishing the lunch, Brownie asked to the Goldie, "Every day you are eating this such food? Do you like this food?" So Goldie says, "Yes, I like this food because it makes us healthy." She gives the names of the vegetables like carrot, pumpkin, corn. These are the yellow fruit. These vegetables are very healthy for our eyes. It makes eyes shine. She also likes green vegetables like spinach, okra and cabbage. It makes us strong. So if we want to become healthy, we need to eat like these vegetables. We also need to eat fruits every day. Fruits are also very healthy. She also drink milk twice a day. 2 times she drinks the milk. We all have to drink milk every day. And now Brownie understands why she is so beautiful, why she looks very healthy, why her hair is very nice. So now he understood this goodness of fruits and vegetables, and now he also decided to eat these vegetables and fruit. You can see in the picture he has started to eat the food. Okay kids? In the next period, we will do the revision and do the exercise. Hope you understand the lesson. If you are having any question, then you can ask me. Bye kids.